it's Layle with Layle by Mail. I am so excited to share with you one of my brand new Layle by Mail project kits. This is the Every Summer Has a Story project kit. So we will take a look at the completed album, and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. As always, the Layle by Mail project kits include everything that you need to complete the project from a product perspective, as well as color step-by-step instructions. I'm also super excited to announce that I will also be doing YouTube live classes for my 4 new kits, including this kit. So if you purchase the kit, you will have access to exclusive YouTube live private class, and then you will also have access to replay that in the future. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the finished kit. You guys, this collection is so fun. It is the Summer Farmhouse collection from Simple Stories, and it is just so bright and cheery. I had so much fun when I was putting together the project, and the colors are just so pretty. So you'll see lots of different interactive elements, so room for a ton of photos. And it's a really good, pretty neutral theme when it comes to summer. So you have, some ice cream, and you have some swimsuits, and you have kind of some general summer icons. You have lots of flowers. So just a really good color palette as well. I love this, the cherries. The cherries and the gingham just make me so happy. It's just such a fun little combination there. So the lots of flips and folds. A little spot there where you can tuck in your photos, more interactive little flip ups. So room for journaling, to tell your stories, room for documenting your grilling and chilling. This was just such a fun collection. I have also in this kit used the Simple Stories brand new foam stickers, and the foam stickers that coordinate with this collection are really fun because they're different colors, and they're kind of let's take a look at that one again, because that opens and then little opens again there. So the foam stickers, different colors, and then there's a fun, that font is kind of a cursive font, so it is pretty fun as well. This paper, the lemons, I love. I'm in love with that. So just a really good, like I said, a really great pretty generic summer collection. This really makes me excited for summer and to get outside as we are still in the middle of the coronavirus and our social distancing. Luckily, we have the outside, right? So we can just be outside and enjoy the warm weather as we're social distancing with family or friends or what have you. So there you have it. That is the project, and you can either follow along with the step-by-step instructions in the photos and do it exactly as I did, or you could just take the kit and create whatever you'd like. So as we talk about the kit, the base of the project is the Simple Stories Snap 6x8 binder in yellow. And that includes 8 snap pages. So the pages are yellow, and then there are some kind of office-y type pages, 3 craft dividers, and 10 pocket pages. So that right there is a ton of stuff in it. And then as we move into everything else, this really fun kind of burlap stitched ribbon. You have a yard of that to tie around the cover if you'd like. A half package of the coordinating enamel dots, so 30 enamel dots. 5 different colors in 3 different sizes, 2 of each size. The bits and pieces of the die cuts. These are always so fun to work with because you have so many different pieces. That package is 56. The 6x8 paper pad. That reminds me, I forgot to cut the seal on this so we could take a quick look at it. Anyhow, the 6x8 paper pad includes 24 double-sided sheets. There are 2 sheets each of 12 different patterns. So you end up with tons and tons of beautiful papers and beautiful patterns. One of my favorite things to use in the 6x8 albums are these 6x8 pads, because in some cases they're so decorative that really we can just take that one and that could be a page in itself. The foam stickers that I talked about, aren't those fun? Just the font is fun. Even the denim, there's a really nice denim pattern in the collection, so you even see the denim pattern in the stickers, and there are 39 foam stickers. Of course, the color step-by-step instructions. the snap cards. So 72 cards. You have a mixture of 3x4s and 4x6s. So 48 3x4s, 24 4x6s, and those are great as we're working with our pocket pages. We have the 12x12 sheet of cardstock stickers, and then we have 2 sheets of 12x12 paper. So that kit is shipping now. I have included a link to my website at laylebymail.com, and down in the description of the video, I have included a link to purchase that kit. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.